on a question like this, by far the easiest approach is going to be going into Desmos and then just graphing this function so that we can see the characteristics that they're asking for. So I'm going to go ahead and hold shift and do 6. I prefer to just use my keyboard, and I don't even have to press right. I can just right away plus, so shift and the plus sign, which for me is to the left of the backspace key, and then keep typing everything else. And the more comfortable you are, of course, the faster it'll be. And then we have the circle right here. They specifically want the center. Well, I can't really just click here, but what I can do is identify, let's say, this point right here, which actually they're identifying some points for me. So I'm going to use those. I'm going to use the ones that they give me, and I'll pop it out here. And I'll do the same thing up here. And the center, you could probably just look at it and see it, but it's really the midpoint. So I'm going to go ahead and do midpoint as a command. And to do that, I do need to label these. So let me show you some of the commands that are just good to be aware of. And then you could just type them from here on out. So if we go to functions, specifically geometry, scroll down a bit, notice you have midpoint. So that's good to know. Of course, you don't want it up there. So we got to make sure that we have it in the right spot. But let's go ahead and label these as, let's say, A equals and B equals. If we want, we can click on label just to make it easier to see, but we don't have to. Now I'll type in midpoint, parentheses A comma B, and notice it gives it to us. And so we can see that that ordered pair is -3, 2, which matches with option B.